This is a 1959 Series 2 Land Rover. When we brought it home, it wasn't running, and it hadn't run for a long time. Where we're from, when you buy or sell a vehicle, if it's going to be licensed for the road, it needs a vehicle safety certificate. The safety inspection means that not only is the motor running, but the brakes work, the brake lights work, signal lights, windshield wipers, and that includes the horn. When we first tried the horn, it burped a couple of times, but then it wouldn't work. So we took it out, and luckily it has a single screw that holds the bell cover down. We opened it up, and we found the contacts were dirty. So we used a little bit of emery cloth and some electrical cleaner and put it back together. There's a dent in the bell cover. The horn is located behind this 2-inch bumper guard, behind the radiator grille cover, just below the headlight. How it got dented, you tell me. We used a hammer and dolly to take out the dent. Gave it a shot of spray paint. Check out the name of the company that manufactured this horn.